Children, let us know about the fire. How did the early people find out the fire? First, fire was found by the early people. After discovering fire, great changes comes in the lives of the earliest people. How did they discover the fire? They made fire by striking stones or rubbing wooden sticks. They made the fire by striking one stone with another stone or rubbing wooden sticks, one stick with another stick. So, in this way they discovered the fire. Then after discovering fire, they roasted the meat. They roasted the meat, and after that they began the cooked food. They began to eat the cooked food. And this fire was used to keep off wild animals and to light in the caves. This fire, after discovering the fire, they used it to roast the meat and they started to cook the food. And the keep of the animals, this fire was used, and to light in the caves also this fire was used. After discovering fire, there are so many changes comes in the lives of the earliest people. Who discovered fire first? The early people discovered fire. Nomadic life. What is nomadic life? Earliest people used to live in small groups in caves or under trees or under rocks. They are used to live in small groups at the early time. They did not know to build houses. In those days, they did not have any houses. And these people moved from one place to another. They did not constantly they moved from one place to another place. So, these type of people are called nomads. The people who move from one place to another constantly, they are called nomads. Okay, this is the nomadic life of the earliest people. They did not know to build houses. They used to move from one place to another place constantly. They used to live in caves. They used to live in groups. And they used to live in caves or under trees or in rock shelters. Okay, they drew some pictures. They know the paintings. In those days only, they know the paintings. These earliest people draw some pictures of animals. They drew where they drew the paintings. They drew on walls of caves and rock shelters. They drew the pictures of animals on the walls of caves or in the rock shelters. You see in your textbook you have some pictures given about the early man's paintings. They used what they used for painting? Different colored stones. Different colored stones. They ground that stones mixed with animal fat. They ground that stones mixing with the animal fat. They use that colors to paint the pictures. And we want a brush to paint. What they use to paint the animals' pictures, they painted with the bamboo brushes. They used bamboo brushes. And which type of colors? Nowadays we have so many painting colors, oil paints, water paints, but they did not have that type of paints to paint pictures. So what they used? The stones, they ground the stones. That means they grind the stones and they mix it with the animal fat, and these colors used to paint animals. And they used bamboo brushes. What they used? They used bamboo brushes to paint the animals' pictures on the walls. Where they painted the pictures? They painted on walls of caves or on the rock shelters. Okay children, what you learnt in this class about fire? Who discovered fire? The earliest people discovered fire. After discovering fire, there are so many changes came in the lives of the earliest people. How they discovered fire? By striking with one stone with another stone or wooden sticks or rubbing wooden sticks. First, after discovering fire, they are habituated to eat roasted meat. After that, they began to cook food. They started to eat cooked food, and this fire is used to keep off wild animals and to light in the caves also. This fire was used by the earliest people. What are nomadic life? Nomadic people. Nomadic people means those who moves from one place to another place constantly. That people are called nomadic people. They are called nomads. This is the nomadic life. So these people, earliest people, live in groups in caves or under trees or rocks. They also drew some pictures of animals in the caves or rock shelters. So different colors they used. Okay children, this is the fire and nomadic life paintings of the earliest people. You go through this once again and you have some questions in your textbook boxes. You can answer that questions easily.